In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the serpentine belt on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. Just grab this engine cover. We're going to pull up and pull out. It is clipped in. It might be in there a little bit more tricky than how easy this came out. So just pull it straight up. Using a 17mm socket right underneath where the belt is. You can see where the tensioner. Just rotate this counterclockwise. Then we can slide the belt off. And take the belt off the idler pulley, the water pump, the alternator, another idler pulley, power steering pulley. You're gonna have to twist it around the lines. And the crank and the AC compressor. Slide it up. Now I'm going to use a hex key just to lock the tensioner. So put some tension on the tensioner and just put the hex key in there. Slowly release that, and that's just going to hold that. Take the belt, going down to the alternator. We'll go up on the bottom of the water pump, go over the idler pulley, and go under the crank pulley. Oops, nope, over the other idler pulley. Over the tensioner pulley, and down to the crank. Over the AC. And we'll go up to the power steering. Over the top. Actually, the belt came off the alternator, and that's okay. That's where we're gonna slide it over that once we get the tension off the tensioner. Let's see. Make sure it's over all the ribs. And before you go over the upper idler pulley, the belt is around the alternator. I'll just use the 17mm socket, take some of the tension off the tensioner, and slide it over the idler pulley up top. There we go. Make sure everything looks good. Belt's in all the right grooves. So that looks good. Now we'll just take the tension off the tensioner one more time and then pull that pin out. Take this cover, line it up, and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.